This is the wet season in the car. It just rained, not very long, maybe an hour and a half or so. But by this point in the rainy season, we're more than halfway through. There's no longer anywhere for the water to go. It doesn't sink into the ground very fast. So it just sits on top of the ground and fills the roads. And people have to do interesting things to drive around it. We're all driving through our yard rather than the road because the road's flooded. Oh, they're wading through it. There's some nasty sewage in that water too. That car didn't make it. That taxi didn't do so great. He's courageous. We're stupid. We both are. That's really risky. The SUVs got away with it. Taxi didn't. Oh, I think that's the taxi that's belching black smoke now. Or is it the SUV?
Oh, what a mess.